Well, good morning and welcome back to another Dynodaze video. As you can see, that's one stunning Fn2 Honda Civic Type R. It is the glorious man that is Dazar's car. Today he's having an exhaust manifold, inlet manifold, some modifications to the exhaust as he's having a cat, and then we're getting it up on the dyno to map. So let's check in with the team in a little while. What a car. There's Dazar, he's excited! He's excited! It's time to get the Fn2 on the dyno. Now, it's had some modifications today. It's had a Milltek exhaust manifold mated to the Dynodaze 3-inch exhaust. It's had an RRC inlet manifold, a Skunk2 induction kit, and we're here to make some power. So let's see what we can do. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Ooh. Uncle Keith's rocker cover, I might point out there as well. But there she is, Skunk2 induction kit, RRC inlet manifold, nice fuel rail, Uncle Keith's rocker cover. Yeah, we're ready. It's already got ecutek license because it's already been mapped before in previous stages. But we're hoping it makes some beautiful noises now. And also, it's got a sports cat in it now, and it didn't before, so it's legal. Let's just make some power. Let's have it. Dazar's FN2.
Yeah, been a long day today.
I don't want to talk about
It's
it.
going to be a 7 PM before we leave here, for
I don't
sure.
want to talk about it.
Okay, so yeah, a lot of mods on this. Well, a lot of sort of mods on this car, but we sort of did, to be fair to say to him, we'd try and do it all in one day for him, which we've done. Although obviously stopped a couple of hours over to get that done, but nevertheless. So we fitted an RRC inlet manifold. We've kept the stock throttle body.
Was it a ported one?
Yes.
Okay.
So it's a ported one. And the plan was to fit a J35Y throttle body, but that didn't turn up in time. So we are still on the standard throttle body as well. So on the standard throttle body, Skunk2 induction kit, which we fitted with battery relocation. We've put in the Milltek manifold on to go with the Milltek 3-inch exhaust.
Dynodaze.
Oh, Dynodaze 3-inch, sorry. Dynodaze 3-inch exhaust. So we fitted that. And the silencer that sits sort of under where your legs are, we've taken that out and fitted him a sports cat, or made a sports cat section, so he can obviously take one in and out whenever he wants.
It's not there at the moment, is it?
No, it's not there at the moment, but because he had the Piper manifold with sports cat and he changed the manifold, he still wanted to have a sports cat for MOT purposes. So we've made it up where the silencer goes, and it can obviously be taken in and out. It's not there right now, obviously, because of the flames. So we made that. Yeah, and that's what we've done today. So yeah, it's been a full day, plus obviously
we're up 10 brake horsepower. No, 11. We're up 11 peak brake horsepower.
Yeah, 11 brake horsepower on peak. I think we've got a little bit of a flow thing going on in the mid-range, and that probably is the small throttle body, to be fair. If we take that throttle body up, mate, I think we'd lose that bit in the thing. I think we'd make it all. The original goal for this car was 240, which is what he wanted. We finished on 236 today, so I think we're really close. I think, you know, if the throttle body was worth 5 brake horsepower, we'll meet what he wants.
I don't know. It's done a good session on the dyno. I don't know whether it, if it was a bit cooler.
Yeah, to be fair, that doesn't help as well, does it? We've seen that before. You run the car, 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 run the car, and then at the end you ask it to say, well, what have we made? Yeah. And obviously the car gets hot. I mean, it doesn't get hot to the point it's boiling over, but everything gets hot.
Warm.
Yeah, whereas we've been in situations where we have kept something overnight, haven't we, for example?
Ran it the next day.
And then got it, ran up to temperature, you know what I mean? So get the temperature gauge up, run up to temperature, and then do a pull, and we always make more power. So it obviously can, heat soak can...
Now, bearing in mind that my car is 243 with a set of drag cartel dropping cams, so I think this has done really, really well.
It has done really well, but it has done only 83,000 miles. So I think the engines are, I mean, I'm not saying yours not a good one, but it's done half the mileage. No, but it has done half the mileage.
Yeah, it has done exactly half the mileage.
It's done exactly half the mileage. So you can only expect that the engine's got less wear on it, can't you, if you want to sort of look at it that way. Yeah. I think Dazar's got slightly better mods. The manifold,
it's got a bigger exhaust.
The manifold's manifold's definitely better, and the exhaust is definitely better. So I think that when you're sort of comparing that, I'd like to see, if we fitted the J35Y throttle body, I'd like to see him make the 240 that he wanted, and I think that would be a solid effort.
Well, if Johnny delivers it at some point, that'd be great.
Yeah, well, again, what we'll do is we'll have him back, won't we? Because now we've done this and we've got this data anyway, we'll be fitting that, and we'll be doing and swapping the silicon over on the Skunk2 and going again, won't we? And seeing what we've got.
We'll see you on another Dazar video, but before, let's go look at that graph.
Let's have a look at that graph.
Well, say it with me. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Power in the mid-range, power at peak, not bad at all. Finish on 236 from 225. So happy with that. But we'll see Daz at 200 at the wheels now, which I like. I like that figure. But we'll see Dazar again, I'm sure. It's started to rain outside now, but it is late. It's getting cold. So we'll see you all on the next one. Thanks, guys.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.